In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove Google Photos without deleting from iPhone and Android phone.
But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is go over to our Google Photos application. Before I go ahead and delete anything on the top right, what I want to do is click my profile icon. Then I'm going to see backup. Go ahead and click on that. And if your backup is currently on, go ahead and turn it off. This will make sure that if you do delete anything from your Google Photos, it's not going to also delete on your phone as well. So now, let's say I want to go ahead and delete something. Let's say I want to delete this QR code. Go ahead and long press on it, and then I'm going to see bin. Now it's going to say moving on to the bin. It says photos and videos will be removed from your Google account, devices with backup turned on, and places that you've shared them with Google Photos. And like I said, it only says devices with backups turned on, which is why you need to have your backup off. Then go ahead and press got it, and then just press move to bin, and that's it. It's going to be moved to the bin, but it's still going to be on my phone. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.